to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about Paws Eligibility Checker. Okay, Paws Eligibility Checker. As you can see right here on my screen, this is the official Telegram account. Okay, so they have now listed out their eligibility criteria form where you can be able to click and check whether you're eligible for the Paws Airdrop. So first thing that you need to do is to, if you want to go through this place, you can, but it will redirect you to the Paws web web address where you'll be able to do it. So this is the interface of my phone. So if you did it, it will be able to show for you. So you click on the home page that's on Paws, and it's going to show you every single thing related to it. So mind you, I'm using Chrome browser. This is my Chrome, as you can see right here, not Telegram. Okay, so you click on it then and wait for it to load, just a little bit. Wait for it to load. Okay, so it redirected me back to this place. That means my account is verified. Then it will click on open website. So when I click on it, I will open my website that's still on Chrome browser. Then it has actually showed every single thing related to it. So if I go down here, this is every single thing related to it. So the next place is to go on top right here. That's these three lines, which is above, three lines that is above on top here. And I can click on it. I'll see the claim button downwards. So when I click on it, look at the criteria that I have already, several criterias. But the first step is to have a recommended, the mandatory criteria, all of them completely done. So this is my recommended criteria here, every single thing done. That's safe from Grinch, which I said during Christmas, 30 requests before December 31st, as well as verifying the Paws task. So it's still doing the activity check and will be completed soon. So voting on turn, that's exploring turn. Okay, I did some of those things, but my balance, which is the last one here, is not complete. Okay, but all these mandatory tasks, I have actually done them. So if I just click and you are eligible for the airdrop, so this is my own eligibility for the airdrop. Okay, so that is every single thing for it. Sometimes some people may not be eligible for the airdrop. That's depending on how they didn't meet the criteria. Maybe they say from Grinch or any of these two criteria in terms of doing the quest as well as verifying on the website. But I made all those videos here, so I wouldn't like anyone to say that they did not get the information right on time. So that's basically every single thing related to the Paws airdrop and how we can be able to farm it. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.